It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday evening, December 3rd. I'm James Spann. A cold night coming up tonight, but we'll be dry for a while. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Very dry air mass in place here. Trough axis to the east. New trough coming into the Pacific coast out west. Clouds cover about the southern half of the state. Most of north central Alabama in bright sunshine, but pretty chilly. You know, the average high today is 59. And you can see areas north and east of Birmingham are not out of the mid-40s. Only 45 for Cullman and Anniston, Birmingham at 50. Numbers come down quickly tonight. Many spots will see a freeze early tomorrow morning. Around the nation, still very cold in the western states with 20s and 30s. And again, the cold in the Midwest is centered where there's snow cover through parts of Minnesota and South Dakota. But really, it's nice and quiet. Look at the watch warning map. I mean, much of the nation, quiet as a mouse. Got a few winter storm warnings in the far northwest and northeast, and that's about it. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning. I do think we see some rain Monday or Monday night, probably not much. The big totals over the southern tip of Florida and up in the Pacific Northwest. Those El Nino storms rolling in. Looks like around Puget Sound, they might see over a foot of rain there for the next 5 days. All right, model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Look at the ridge north of us. Down below that, the air very dry. The sky will be bright and sunny. Again, we start the day around the freezing mark. Colder pockets will likely see 20s, the high tomorrow, in the mid to upper 50s. Pretty much the same deal on Saturday. We start the day in the middle 30s, the high Saturday afternoon around 60 in most spots. And Sunday, more of the same. The low Sunday morning around 40, the high around 60. Monday of next week, pretty vigorous shortwave comes in here, but again, the moisture is going to be limited. So yes, clearly a chance of showers on Monday, but rain amounts should be light. Tuesday, that feature is well to the east. We're cool and dry. Same thing for Wednesday. And a week from today, this is Thursday, December 10th. Wave axis a little to the east of here. The air very dry, no chance of rain. Again, temperatures should be rather seasonal, if this all verifies, and we think it will. This is the end of the forecast. Sunday the 13th. You can see we got a pretty strong wave off to the west, and if this is right, the Gulf is wide open. We've got deep surface lows over the Great Plains, and that looks pretty wet and maybe stormy. We'll check the instability. The good news, we're showing no surface-based instability on Sunday the 13th, but understand this is 10 days away and this could easily change, but that looks like it might be the next really big rain event for the state. Temperatures for the next 15 days, pretty benign. Nothing extremely warm, nothing extremely cold. If you average everything out here, that's about where we should be for the first part of December, with highs in the 50s and low 60s in a few days and lows mostly in the 30s and 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.